Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Let's start our today's work with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay my dear students, now take out your holidays homework. Now take out your math work. Okay dear students, now open page number 18. First of all, read these icons. Read and write. Read and write. Right. Look at this. What number is this? This is 37. 37. 38. 39. And 40. Now I'm going to tell you how to write 37. We will start from here. 3, 7. 37. 38. 39. 37. 38. 39. 37. ये आपने नीट राइट करना है और साथ साथ आपने इसको पढ़ना भी है. 38. 39. And now we are going to write 40. 40. 4 0 40. 40. Now read it again. 37, 38, 39 and 40. Okay dear students, now we are going to revise our flat shapes. Triangle. Which shape is this? Triangle. Circle. Which shape is this? Circle. Square. Square. What is the name of this shape? Square. Rectangle. This shape is rectangle. Oval. What is the name of this shape? Oval. Yes, dear students, these are all flat shapes. Triangle, square, oval, circle, and this is rectangle. These are all flat shapes. Okay dear students, अब हम अपनी काउंटिंग रिपीट करेंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 एंड 50. आपने इस काउंटिंग को बार बार पढ़ना है और ध्यान से देख के पढ़ना है ताकि आपको इन नंबर्स की पहचान भी हो जाए. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.